Has this ever happened to you? Well, now this never has to happen again. Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, you guys, this is not just gonna be a regular video. This video will be life changing, I promise you. So one of my biggest problems is that I always get makeup all over my clothes. I get makeup just like when I'm applying makeup on myself. I get makeup on the collars of my shirts. I get makeup on other people. Has this happened to you where you like go in and hug someone and then you accidentally get makeup on their shirt? It is the most embarrassing thing ever. It's happened to me so many times. Or even on your like boyfriend's shirt, you get makeup all over their clothes. It is a very, very common problem. And for me, like all my clothes are covered in makeup. So I needed to come up with a solution on how to get this makeup out. I am going to show you something that will change your life. This is seriously the best beauty hack ever. I'm going to show you guys how to get all the makeup out of all of your clothes in the easiest way possible. You're gonna use products that you have at home. This is the best beauty hack. I hope you guys love it. Let's get into this video. All right, guys, you're only gonna need 2 products to do this. The first thing you need is acetone or rubbing alcohol or nail polish remover. Any of those 3 will work. And the second item you're gonna need is shaving cream. They are just stuff that you're most likely going to have in your house, but if you don't have them, you could just run to the drugstore and grab them. So I'm gonna start with this plain white shirt. As you guys can see, there's makeup on the neckline. This is very common. I have this on probably all my shirts. This always happens, getting makeup on the neck. So we're gonna concentrate on this area right here to get all that makeup off. So first you're starting with the acetone. Again, you can use the acetone, nail polish remover, rubbing alcohol, whatever you have. I like to put the acetone in a water bottle or some kind of spray bottle. I find it's just a little bit easier to apply this way. So I'm pouring the acetone into the spray bottle. You definitely don't need a lot, just a little bit goes a long way. But of course, it depends on how much stain removing you're doing. So here we have the shirt with the makeup on the neckline. You're gonna take your spray bottle, spray that area, and you want to make sure that you really saturate that area with the acetone or the rubbing alcohol and get it really wet, get it drenched, get it nice and soaked. Next, it's time for the shaving cream. So I'm taking a little bit in my hand. You don't need too much. And then wherever you have that makeup stain, you're going to rub that shaving cream in. Don't be afraid to really get in there. Put your back into it if you need to. Really rub it in to get all that makeup out. You'll start to notice right away that this just pulls all the makeup out, you guys. It's seriously like magic. It's gonna start to turn white and you're gonna notice a difference right away. All right, I'm gonna quickly wipe off this shaving cream just to show you guys a really quick side-by-side where we cleaned and where we didn't clean and the difference. You can see pretty much all the makeup is completely gone in the area that we cleaned, and you can compare it to how it looked before, but let's finish this off and really show you guys the full difference. So after you finish with the rubbing alcohol and the shaving cream, you're going to rinse the clothes off, and you could either just rinse it in your sink or of course just throw it in the wash. This is what's really gonna make everything look brand new. And you guys can even see already that this makeup is pretty much completely gone. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the shirt into the dryer to let it dry and show you guys the final result. And there you have it. The shirt literally looks brand new. You would have never suspected that there was ever any makeup on it at all. And that literally took seconds to do, you guys. So you could see the top where all the makeup was, and the after, there's no makeup residue at all. All right, now that I've shown you guys the basics on how it's done, let's really put this to the test because I want to show you guys how well this really works. So I'm gonna create my own stain, and this is gonna be a very dramatic one. I'm gonna take foundation and squirt it onto a towel and create a fresh stain. And I am not gonna go light-handed on this to show you guys that if you can take this stain out, you can take any stain out. All right, so I'm taking my trusty NARS foundation and I'm squirting 2 large drops into this white towel, and then I'm rubbing the foundation in. This is as drastic as a stain you should get on your clothes. Hopefully it will never be this bad, but just in case it is, we're gonna do the same steps. So I'm taking the spray bottle with the acetone, and then we are taking the shaving cream one more time and really rubbing that shaving cream in, and make sure you really get it in so it can pull all that makeup out. If you have a stain that's extra stubborn, you can use like a little cheap plastic toothbrush to kind of work that product out of it. Just either way, make sure you keep working that shaving cream in to get everything out. All right, this is pretty much looking like brand new. Let's rinse this off to really see the final results. I'm just quickly rinsing this in the sink to get all that product off. And here we go, you guys. Look at that. Isn't it amazing? I swear, this is the best beauty hack. All that makeup is off, that foundation stain is completely gone, and now we can actually see all the other stains on the towel that we didn't even notice before because the area that we cleaned is so white. That is my beauty hack on how to take makeup out of your clothes. I hope you guys loved this video. I found it helpful. If this is something that you've dealt with in the past and you wanted a solution, here it is. If you have any of your own tricks and tips on how to take makeup out, leave them for all of us in the comments below. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you love beauty, you're gonna love this channel because it's all beauty all the time, but actually beauty and so much more. So make sure you hit that big red subscribe button if you haven't already. And of course, add me on Instagram at Eman because I post a ton of stuff there. I am going to London this week, guys. By the time you guys are seeing this video, I will be traveling to London on the Monday. Super excited. I'm going to be posting a ton on Instagram. So maybe if you're in London, be sure to stay tuned so you can see if I end up doing a meetup anywhere. I really love this video and I hope you guys love it too. And I will see you in my next video very soon. And yes, I'm gonna just comment really quickly. I went heavier on my bangs. I wanted to try something different. I know this is a very, very different look. I know some of you guys are gonna hate it. Some of you guys are gonna like it. It's different. It's just hair. It'll grow out. So no negative comments, please. But you know what? I just wanted to switch it up. I hope you guys like it. All right, guys, I will see you soon. Bye.